Yo, what's in the box?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the show. So, I got my books. Well, one book back from CGC, and I can't wait to open this bad boy up. I think I have this book, and I think I got two more left there. They're getting signed. One signed by Rob Liefeld, and one getting signed by what's his name? Neil Gaiman. Yeah. Alright, so let's get the bad boy open. Let me find my trusty knife. My knife. Get this bad boy open. Ooh-wee. There we go. Should be a quick little video. Alright. Nicely packed again. They skimping on the bubble wrap. Alright. Let me see. Okay, it's upside down. There we go. Okay, let me see. Alright, there we go. We get it just right. So I didn't see it. Okay, ready? Let me feel, make sure there's no type of paperwork. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I've been sending books in, but for some odd reason, I think they're 9.8. And they will come back at 9.4 or 9.6. I'm praying. This is a 9.8. Don't get tired of sending my book. Could there be nothing wrong with the book that I don't see? So here we go. Oh. Whew, I'm dreading this right here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It is Miles Morales #1. Peach Morocco. Peach Morocco? Yeah, I think that's her name. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm trying to find out where the signature at. Well, let me take it out the bag. There's too much glare in it. Too much for glare. Okay, do y'all see it? I'm looking. Well, first, let's go for the number. Let's go for the number. Oh, I got I forgot I got custom. Okay, here we go. 9.8! Yeah! 9.8! Woohoo! Okay, now they're trying to find her Oh, I found it. Dog, really? Why use a black marker on something? They could at least. I found it. It's right here. But yet, she couldn't use another color marker instead of black. Wait, is that her signature? Yeah, that's her signature. Okay, there we go. Okay. So yeah, so that's her signature right there. In black marker. Oh my god. But it is a cool custom label. Oh look, there's some on the back of it too. I am Spider-Man right there. Alright, 9.8. Finally a book I sent in and got a 9.8. I haven't had a 9.8 in so long. Nice. But yet the signature, they could at least did red. She could at least done red right here to match this type of color. I mean, come on. But I'm not gonna complain. I got 9.8. I'm happy. All right. So next time, peace, and I see you when I see you.